iPad Air. And it is iPad Air, yeah, I said that. iPad Air fourth generation. Don't have much to say. It's a 64 gigabyte, I think. I know it's 64, but I don't know about the gigabyte or whatever. And then I got the case before this. I already opened it. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you it now, and then I'll show you it when I put it. Oh, can I just put it back in here. But yeah, that's the case. There's no iPad in here, it's just folded. And then there's, yeah, keyboard and the plug. Okay, now let's open this. I already got carried away and started pulling that, but then I stopped. It's staticky. This is taking forever. Oh wait, this will be it. That's very thin. It doesn't even feel like an iPad. Charging cord. Hey, comes with a cube. Not a cube, whatever you call it. Yeah. Nothing else interesting than that. Okay, onto the iPad. It's nice. Oh, I thought I would have the screen thing where you can do it. Smells very new because it is. Kablam. Apple. I'm gonna put this in the case in case I dropped that. That's why you have cases. Whatever. Bam. This is my new iPad. I'll just leave it like that. Oof. Kablam. There's the camera, like the lens. And I'm recording this on my new GoPro Hero 8, which is the second newest. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Hit the notifications. And if you didn't see my unboxing of the GoPro, go check that out. Link in the description if you want to see that there, or you can just find it on my channel if you don't know what the link in the description is. But that concludes my Apple. Anyway, like and subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.